So now, can I have your attention? Alright, hello, I need your attention, please. Thank you. Alright, so now, I like how you started talking to each other about the reading and asking each other questions. That's a really good strategy to do. So, sometimes our students don't know all the strategies they need to know to help themselves, right? And one really important strategy is using context clues. And that means looking in the text for hints or clues about the meaning of vocabulary words. A good textbook will help the students understand the more difficult vocabulary by putting clues or hints, definitions, in the reading. So we're going to do an activity right now that you can do with your students, both high school and university. So the first word is revolution. Okay. Can you look in here and find the word revolution and draw a circle around it? And I know this seems easy, but I think it's really helpful to do this with students the first time. Okay, you found it? It's in the first line, revolution. Okay. Now, I make my students copy down the sentence that they find where they found revolution. So if you look at this paper that you have on your desk, the one that says using context clues, yeah, maybe it's in the middle. Okay. So we're going to do the first one together, and then you're going to try some by yourself. But please follow my directions first. So the sentence, can you read the sentence for us?
This war is called the American Revolution.
Okay. So that's the sentence from the text. And I ask the students to copy the sentence here so they really focus on that sentence, right? Because sometimes if they're looking at this whole text, their eyes go all over, and so I have them copy it here so they only have that sentence to use. Okay. Then we go to the meaning, and I ask the students to, only using that sentence, guess at the meaning. So if it says, this war is called the American Revolution, maybe we can guess, revolution must be
Kind of a war.
a kind of a war. Good, good. So, and then you can write that in the meaning. Now the last part is dictionary. Why is dictionary last?
Check students' or
Check the
right or
meaning.
wrong.
Yeah. So, like, do you know what my students do? They see dictionary, so they skip and they start here. So let's do this. Let's fold the paper back right here. So the students are not tempted to check the dictionary first. So it's really important they do these parts first, right? If you go straight to the dictionary, are the students thinking? No. And sometimes they just copy the definition, and then maybe it's not the right one, because some words have more than one meaning, right? And but this is really helping the students start to think and use the text. And that's a really good strategy to use, especially in high school and university, right? To use the clues in the text. So in this case, maybe they don't even need the teacher.